Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can free up space in your Proton mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to free up space in your Proton mail, you first have to open your Proton mail application. From there, you will see these three bars in the top left corner. Click on that. After clicking there, click on Settings. After coming to Settings, you will see this Local Cache option in the app settings. You can clear the data by clicking on Clear Data. If you didn't find the option there, you can see it in your account settings. Click on the account, and then you will get the Local Storage Limit option. Click on that, and then you will find the option here. Click on Clear Data to free up the storage. Then, after doing this, your local storage will be cleared in your Proton mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.